day one of the long holiday. It's Saturday today and we're going to...
Wait, Saturday today?
Oh, bro! It's Saturday today and we're going to Deira City Center.
Today?
You don't have class today, I said.
We're on the back.
Should take it later.
I can try to make a pen gun out of Tic Tac. I come from here.
No, financial and then city center.
I come from here, switch to red, and then go to financial.
You put card here first. Card top up, and that's, you see, the minimum is 20. Put the cash payment here. So, and then it will register 10. So the other one. Oops.
What the?
Try again.
I think
So take your null card, and that's it.
now it's my turn.
So you put your null card first. By card top up 20 cash, and then put one at a time. Okay, and then the other one. Ooh. And then take your null card. The null card here.
Your attention please. The train
سنتر بوينت. المحطة القادمة هي سيتي سنتر ديرا.
The final destination of this train is Center Point. The next station is City Center Deira.
Yeah, we're gonna go on next station.
So we're here.
Something.
Deira City Center.
Something with Tic Tac tastes fishy.
Did you brush your teeth?
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe it's expired or something. God, I'm so scared of escalators.
Oh my hand. I'm not even scared.
You got it so right.
I better.
And we're here. Center, and our first stop is Momuso.
Oh, it's squishy. It's
As
squishy.
usual. Oh, stingray. Surprise growing marine animal tour. I want this one, but no, I'll. Oh my god! This is so cute. So what are you going to buy? Wait, this one have the orange one.
Look at my beautiful boy.
Yeah, two.
Oh, look at him. Look at this goofy boy. I love Mr. Dino. Well done. Look at this cutie.
Wow. Wow.
Come on.
There's so many escalators and walkalators.
I will.
I don't understand.
What's
Like to Carrefour, where we usually
Shopping.
do grocery shopping with his mama and papa.
But then they're not home, so I can buy whatever I want without getting scolded. But
What?
But then mom will see this video, so I'm gonna get spanked to hell.
Okay. So ayan na nga, kumuha na talaga siya ng card. Kahit wala naman talaga kaming bibilhin. Bro, why do you have a big card?
Why not?
Are you going to go shopping with your 67 dirhams?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what you like?
$9.99, yeah.
Wait, you have to choose the design first. They come in different colors.
I want this one. They're better.
Do we even have batteries at home?
Do you have batteries at home?
$9.99. Okay. So, ayan na nga. Ang dami niya nang binibili.
Oh, nasa.
So, bumili siya ng RC car. And ngayon, nagbibili naman siya ng pen. So, sabi ko kontian lang kasi nga, magko-commute lang kami.
Order
So,
house.
okay. Ayan, for the shopping siya. Ako wala naman akong masyadong kailangan. So,
I'm to come. I'm gonna show him to come. Just be
wait, don't like that. Looks weird. Okay, you got us water, your RC car some pens and juice.
Super worth it. Want to know
Yeah,
why?
because it's
4 dirhams for 5 pieces,
yeah, and also it has the NASA design.
which I really like.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay. So you're ready to pay?
Of course.
Okay.
I've never been more excited to shop on my own before.
Wow, this is your first time shopping on your own, right?
Not like in a big supermarket. Because I did shopping in other markets that are small.
Okay. Okay. Okay, that's one. Get the. Okay. Okay. 3. Find. Look for the barcode. When it. Okay. Okay.
How much is
5.
the total? 17? Let's freaking go.
Okay. You put the 50, and then they will change you.
The freak.
Then you wait for your change. Okay. Get your change. And then
I'm gonna put a
Can we also get one tofu rice cake? I got you your udon.
take your water bottle.
Get us some rice so that you can taste also. Because that's udon. So yeah, yummy, bro. Your noodle looks so big.
I know, right? It's so crowded.
Really?
Yeah. The time this opened, it was very crowded.
So usually marugame udon, yun din yung kinakainan ko na nasa Pilipinas pa ako with my workmates. So, ngayon siya na ang aking kamarugame udon buddy. Smile! So, tapos na kami kumain. And ako lang talaga yung kumain kasi di naman to kumain. Nag-order pa ng udon tsaka ng curry. Kasi di naman pala niya bet masyado ang noodles ng udon. Ayun yung in-order niya. So, ako lang kumain. So, busog na busog ako. Salam. Let's go home. Oh my God. Why is that so haba? Oh no.
Purple.
We survived. So, itong area na to, dito ko usually dumadaan. Established dito na parang RC playground. I've decided, I think ito na lang. Ito na lang. Kasi yung train, parang maliit siya. Ayun, nakuha ko na. Tingnan na lang natin. Sana magustuhan ni Daniel. Going to the birthday party.
Yeah, BT Dog, I'm right here too. I'm definitely 6374.
Donut.
Now, how are you feeling, Kuya Disney?
Feeling good.
Hey, just look at me.
Uy!
Bili ka, sabi ko. Ay, wala pala sila.
No, just
Balikan?
Leto ulit.
Sabi ni ate.
Where are you?
I have a donut.
Ang ganda. Cementation po.
Dahil ano kami, nasa
Cooking show.
mga moms. Ay, madam! Madam, na yun. Madam, ikaw ay.
Ano yung voice? Magtutuhog! Oo nga! Magtutuhog po. Sige, willing. Ang kanakalir talaga ni Yes!
Talong! Ayaw mo daw, kare.
Ang nag-iisang pechay
For the kare-kare.
for the kare-kare na 2 kilo, ito lang ang pechay na nakuha.
Excuse me.
Magkagulo na. Waki, Waki.
Oh, you say happy birthday, Gab Gab. Happy birthday, Daniel!
Pinag na daw. Handog pa. Hindi ko yung nalalaman. Street food tayo.
Oo.
Ayoko, baka masakit. Hindi ako.
I want this to go around here. Here, I want it to go around here, so it looks like a sword.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Go ko yung essay. Go. Pump it hard. Pump, pump.
Para sa pare ito. Sino lang pupunta sa hotel daw? Saan ba tayo? Surprise! Wala natin itong ano ito. Wala na yung ano.
Sino mano?
Kakamunin ko na yan. Pag nalagkin mo, pagkain na yan.
Wala pa man ate. Wala pa man.
Ano ang ginawa mo sa mga tanga ulo ni Mayora?
Sinagad umuwi. Sino wala una. Umuwi na.
Ayun!
Bakit naulo ka agad? Wala pa nga.
Tikim-tik yan. Pwede ba yun?
Ba't ba ito sumakaya itong lamesa na rin?
Kanino ba yan?
Ano yan, limonada?
Oo, eh, gusto nila eh.
Bakit nilagyan mong tubig? Ano ba dapat? Pure kami.
Pwede kasi.
O sige.
Pwede na yan.
Pahiyang.
Tutubig yun naman. Hindi yan dyan na. Bakit nila maraming baso?
Picture.
Uy, Dera.
Tarong Sandy.
Kuya Andy.
Alam niyo yung kuya.
Hindi ko alam. Ano si...
We're your accomplice. We're your accomplice. Don't worry.
Oh, may naligaw na bata.
Happy birthday.